Okay, y'all, it's Chanella again. I'm coming at you with another DIY that I seen on YouTube from Home Talk. They have great ideas. Theirs is on the left, mine is on the right. All Dollar Tree items. And as you can see, some are even from home. The plastic bag, you're going to stuff the glove with that. First, you're going to use the felt or just cotton balls to stuff the finger inserts of the glove, and then stuff that plastic bag right inside to make it pretty thick. And then you'll come up with this, the Grinch Christmas hand holding a little ornament, little thief him. And oh guys, oh my goodness, such a rookie mistake. My hand was so green like the Grinch himself, okay? Please use gloves. Okay, you guys, so because this part is going really fast, this is the portion where I stuff the fingertips with felt. You can use cotton balls and as many cotton balls. I feel like I need to go back in and stuff those fingers a little bit more, but use cotton balls, use the plastic bag, and it'll make that hand perfect. I love it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my last DIY and this DIY. And for more content, continue to follow me, Nella Bay Hawkins, on Facebook, and Why Not DIY on YouTube. It is a new channel, not many subscribers, but go ahead and follow my journey now. It's only up from here, and hey, we never know what the new year may bring, right? So as always, y'all, it's too easy in this world we live in. Be kind and bye for now.